Yeah, boy, Gerson there. I tell you, say you never catch me in the same thing twice, but look on the style there. Lord Clad, boy, they like him wear some fashion Nova sitting there. Lord Clad, me a model now, look there. Gerson sexy, you see. SPYDA Gerson to play with the fashion boy. Alright, last episode we did take down the ugly duppy them, cause they not learn them lesson, you know. So them things say they can't step in my territory. So SPYDA Gerson not play that boy. No, me have to go to one ceremony, one barring ceremony, cause the cop me do all the work, then I give the cop the meckle. Kinda sitting that. Anyway, SPYDA Gerson on the scene, boy. Run, boy. Watch ya, I'll go on here. Boy, think say ya guitar plays? You think say ya guitarist, boy? Watch there. When you have, watch there, you only have 2 fan them, boy. Where your other fan them there? Everybody else eat lunch and talk. Come, watch ya, upon the boy fresh, look upon the Tims them. Lord Clot. Upon the Timberland them, boy. You better make sure nobody scuff your Tims there, you see? Them, if they scuff your Tims, I disrespect that. You see it, boy? Alright, you get me? Alright. As long as you get me, boy. Move from here. You can scuff your Tims up. Watch there.
There's the stage entrance. And we'll be right out front.
Cop, I take all my credit.
Sounds like a lot of people out there.
You nervous, boy?
You'll be fine, honey.
Last time I gave a speech, I was in high school. Miss Steinberg gave me a C-.
You get to see minus for one speech, boy. You
Only
can't
Miss
talk.
Steinberg could see you now.
Hey, you got this, Dad. I mean, come on, you saved Spider-Man. I'm pretty sure
Maybe
that makes
you
you an
said-
official superhero.
You tell your son a lie? What you say, Spider? Oh, you say SPYDA
maybe I'm
Gerson.
just
Me
a guy who
forget.
doesn't give up.
Blood clots. Boy, get lucky. We don't need no help.
Come on, honey.
Watch it, look on the ugly man there. Look like one dry broccoli.
Welcome, everyone. And before I hand it off to Mayor Osborne, I'd just like to say a few words.
Upon Chris Rock.
So?
I think this gang war may finally be over.
Like over?
What me say, gal?
There's some loose ends still to be tied up, but,
Loose ends.
well, a truck pulled away from the scene from a company called Consolidated Shipping.
And look at
Something's
them
not
get to
right
me.
about it. I just don't know what.
Well, maybe after this we can grab some coffee. Figure it out together.
You pay for the coffee, gal. Me broke.
Well,
Do
thanks,
not pay
Jim.
SPYDA Gerson for see them
I
like
said it better myself, but I'll try.
Pan Ginger.
We all know that Officer Davis is a hero.
What me middle there?
Instead of coffee, maybe we could have dinner instead.
Watch there.
I could come over, I'll cook.
We don't know. Yeah, me put seasoning upon my chicken, so you're
Or
not
we
cooking
could,
nothing.
You know, meet at a totally neutral location for a completely normal meal. Cooked by
As long as you're not
professionals.
cook the meal, gal, because you can't cook chicken with no seasoning.
Acts of extraordinary bravery. Above and beyond the call of duty.
Watch
It
this.
is my privilege to present
Why me pull
Officer
one truck up
Jefferson
from the train
Davis
tracks?
with
And
the
me not get no
Department
metal.
Medal of Honor.
Phone call, sir.
Kind of in the middle of something here, Jim.
Sounds urgent, sir.
Fine.
That's right, Chris Rock. Tell him to take the phone call.
Congratulations, sir.
Idiot boy. You better say my name in the speech, boy. Better shout out
thank you.
SPYDA Gerson
Mr. Mayor, I share this honor with my family.
and SPYDA Gerson,
My
boy.
wife Rio and my son Miles.
And SPYDA Gerson.
Without their support, I
Without SPYDA Gerson support,
couldn't do what I do.
Yes?
it's a blood clot liar.
for this moment.
Who is this?
Over the coming days, your company, your city, and everything you care about will be destroyed.
Blood clot. Why not play, you
People
know?
will beg you for help, but you won't be able to save them.
Listen, jackass. I get threats like this twice a week. Why don't
Why
you
no
grow
boy
up here
lips
and tell
them
me what
chop,
you
boy?
want?
Where you?
To
Where
watch
your chopstick
you
there?
suffer.
Boy lips dry. Blood clot. Like the Sahara Desert in a boy in a boy face. Now you're scared now, boy? Watch there. SPYDA Gerson senses going off. Blood clots. More duppy I come. Move, why? Boy, I started with Hadouken, what am I do? Blood clot, what a boy a traitor. Bombard. Blood bleed, why? Get down, yeah, you idiot. Let's see Bama going off. Blows on Scott. Bomba, they might drag him away.
Miles, are you okay?
Miles half dead.
Miles! Miles! Peter!
Watch there. Spider-Gerson down. The Spider-Gerson girl will be okay.
Miles!
Watch there.
Miles! Right here.
Yeah, you're brushing on his face. Move your hot brush out on his face.
Can you hear me? Peter, squeeze my hand if you can hear me. Stay here. I'm going to find your father.
Blood clot. Papa
Peter,
dead.
wake up. Come on, say something, please.
Watch there. May I control the second Spider-Man. Nose on Scott.
Mom!
Mumba, where you gone? Can't run? Yes, boy. Blood please.
Crazy. Over there.
Move, boy. You're not wrong with your leg, boy. Look there. So boy, I think him get one check from the store. That's boy, I lie. Watch out, I'm okay. You can't walk. Boy, I fake. Building a traffic kill me. Look, watch there. Come outside the building, boy. You can't come out this way.
Under there.
Underwear, boy. Watch ya. Car gonna mash me up, you see?
Oh, man!
Run, boy. Yeah, do boy, if you help people, you sit down. Blood clot, mommy. How you do? You idiot, me tell you if you stay there. Watch there. You have the strength of the second Spider-Man, boy. Blood clot.
Damn it!
Mommy, where you going for?
Nothing!
Yeah, me tell you if you stay there, you run off, think say you're Spider-Gerson. You can't do it with him, though, boy. Mommy, you can never ground me again, you hear me?
Are you okay?
You save your life, you can't ground me ever again.
I'm alright, Alright. You sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright.
Alright, listen. I have to go find Dad, okay?
No, wait.
I'll go find Papa because I can't do it.
Miles, no!
Don't tell me if you don't get, I'm gonna save your life.
I'll find him.
Miles!
Which way if you go? Right there. Spider Miles in a training, boy.
Dad's alive. I know it.
And Papa dead. Watch there. What you do?
He was right there.
Boy, gone.
Hell.
Blood clot. Duppy them come. Bombard. Spider-Gerson, if you wake up, boy. Need a real Spider-Gerson to fight them people, you know?
Where do you think you're going?
Bombard, where me for go now?
I can circle around the edge to get past him. Through there.
Duppy them come kill everybody off. So they're merciless. I said, boy, you're dead. Bomba, boy. No mercy. Shoulda stay home today, boy. Shoulda mind your business. Boom, watch it. You doing at the car, girl? Blood clot. Can't find me. Them finish me off. Why duck down? What y'all do? You hear what, boy? You don't hear nothing. Run past, run past. Watch that. You alive, girl? You breathe? Oh, you still alive? You'll be okay. Just breathe them and come get you. Me alive like what? I don't know what they're gonna come get that. Bomba. You don't hear nothing, why? Mind your business. Daddy, where you there, boy? Oh man, come on, boy. Blood clots. 2 bullets in his forehead. Psst, boy, you okay? You good? You can't breathe? Alright, we'll come back for you. One boy. Kill off everybody over there, so.
Dad was right there. Gotta help him.
What y'all do? Come here, boy, so I can't go help my father. I can't go into this one. Nope.
Now.
Nobody here, boy. Mind your business. Too nosy. Father, you there? You alright here, sir, father? Hey, boy. Boom! Blood clots! Boy, no karate. We try to be spider aggressive, but we can't do it.
No.
Hey, boy, we'll give you $2 if you start right now.
Enough! We have to leave. Now!
Watch that. Me tell you, say the boy are evil. Boy thinks say him a nice guy because if I found homeless center. The boy wicked, you see.
Dad.
Father, where you there? Bomba, daddy. Father, where you?
Dad.
Where you put the beef patty them?
Dad, no.
Not know where you put the beef patty with the butter and cheese, boy. You never tell me before you go on.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Father. What me I go eat now? Right, look then. Spider girls not creep on them again, you see? Come here, boy. Himself. Come here, boy. Blood clot, boy. You're so nosy. You're supposed to go over there and check the sword out, you idiot. But tell you to mind your business, you idiot, boy. Found the big fat one there. Watch there. Spider girls wanna divide and conquer. Oh boy. Sit yourself down, boy. The big fat man. What you want, boy? Your big self. Come here, you rude pick-me. Rude pick-me. Too rude, boy. Sit down on the car right there, so.
Okay, that's all of them.
Rude self. Yeah, do you look through the window, boy? You be nosy? You peeping Tom, boy? Idiot, boy.
That's it.
Who in here, boy? A Spider Gerson house this now. Watch this. Who the blood clot then? Spider Gerson not creep again, boy. Right in that events them.
Oh man.
Hey, did you find Lee?
Yes, we
No,
not find them, boy, but we
but you
find
were
the
right.
plans.
Lee's using this place as a front for the demons. Bomb making, gun running.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
And
girl,
it
you
looks like
scared
they're
now?
planning another attack. This time on Norman Osborn's campaign offices.
We must have some kind of beef with Norman Osborn.
I found an address here. I think it's their staging area. If I hurry, I might be able to stop them.
Be careful.
Tell Spider Gerson with it, be careful, gal. Watch out. Oh, I got the whip flash then. What flash? Bombard, boy, you touch me with that, me I could kill you.
glowing whip wasn't enough.
Watch there. Blood clot, why you dodge everything? Come here, boy. Too rude, boy. There's too rude. Stop, whip, lash, everything. Where you go, boy? Blood clot, boy. Bombard. Let me go, boy. Watch there. This how gonna work against you? Yes, boy. Come here. Look. Idiot. Boy. Watch there. Yes, boy. There you go. Take this to boy up. Blood clot idiot.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it was definitely not this.
Rude self, boy. Watch out. More people are come. You go beat you down. You kill the boy father. You go beat your body. Blood clot.
Nice. Did you find Lee?
No, but I found something we should look into. A place called
Come
Pale
out the
Horse
wall,
Rise.
boy.
Sounds familiar. I'll check it out and get back to you.
Stop. Absolute rule, yeah. Idiot boy. There, man. Kill the poor boy father, yeah. Can't do that. Sit on your button, boy. Your rude self. Too rude, boy. Stop trying to be rude to the people there. Let's have a look, please. Bombard. Boy, Bombard, boy, why you? Two rude people, them boy. Yeah. Too rude. Stop being rude. Sit on, boy. So, yeah, wrong thing. Too freaking rude, boy. From here. The whiplash idiot, boy, them. Give me some petrol at the bar with it. But the environmental sitting there. Yeah, boy, yeah. Blood clot. Have no manners. Have no freaking manners, boy. Sit on. But have no manners, boy. Rude self. You dead? Good.
Copy, Silverbird. We're descending to location. There's another one.
Look, fella, what that?
Safety's off.
Well, this is new.
Robot people, them.
No. This one's mine. All right. I'm executing this son of a...
Hey, you can't kill the boy there. I might jab that. Sit on. Rude self.
Code SM1.
Whoa,
We have to fight robots now.
Before we do
This.
this, who the hell are you guys?
Code SM1. Code SM1. Holding for orders. Copy code SM1. I have a vision.
Blood.
Hold for Silverbird.
Who you, girl? Don't know your name. Bombard, girl. I say you rude, you can't even introduce yourself. You're gonna start shoot bullet on me.
Nice entrance. Solid 8 out of 10.
Rude picnic. Bomba! Them catch me.
9 out of 10.
Release him. He works with us.
You idiot girl. Should have smacked it right on your head.
Yuri, explanation, please?
Who this?
This is Silver Sablinova, head of Sable
Can I
International,
name that?
a private security force.
Sablinova, yeah, wrestler?
Paid for by Mayor Osborne.
So like
The
you're
mayor has a pet
WWE.
army now?
Next time you get in my way, I will not be.
Oh, yeah, go do. You're not gonna do nothing, girl.
We'll talk later.
Top it right in your civil head there. Idiot picnic them.